SJ here from MarineMax in Cross Lake, and we have a brand new 2025 Barletta Cabrio 22 QC here at the store. This has the quad couches, so you've got 4 of these Chase Lounge couches. 2 of them in the front have armrests that flip up. Underneath the port side, you have a garbage can, so you can conveniently stow your stuff away without having to worry about it blowing around on the boat or digging in certain compartments. It's always going to be right there. And on the other side, we've got a stowaway table. So you just lift that up, the leg comes out, and that'll be freestanding. And you actually have a little bit of room for a pet to hang out down there, along with the doggy dock view door right underneath there, so they can see outside the boat without getting motion sick. And kitty corner next to that, you have your integrated pet dish right here at the helm. So this just slides out. It's magnetic. You can take it up to the lake house or dump it out in the water to clean it and then stick it back in here. Really convenient. We've got a center floor storage right here for your boat cover, life jackets, big items on board. Side-by-side captain chairs. Both the captain and co-captain have a place to put their phone and charge it. You have the RGB lighting, so you can have a little fun party mode on here. Turn that up, and then all the speakers and cup holder wells will change colors in there. This has the JBL audio system, which is a really clear sounding system. You have your power bimini here with the push of a button that'll go up and down. Wireless charging for the captain. Touchscreen display with your navigation, really easy to maneuver when you're on the water, so you're not looking around for the right buttons. It's just right here, right at your fingertips. You've got your tilt steering wheel, keeping you comfortable all day, and this does have the hydraulic steering. So a little bit of an easier pontoon experience there driving the boat. We have charging ports here on the starboard side, in the bow and in the aft for your passengers. And this boat is powered by a Mercury 200 outboard motor. So you've got plenty of juice with the triple tune package to get up and go and do some water sports. This boat's located at MarineMax in Cross Lake. We hope you'll come take it for a test drive today and find your next dream boat before summer's over.